I wasn't going to record this race, but I've qualified on pole, so I thought, what the hell? Why not? Someone's jumped the start behind.
Green flag, green flag.
Oh dear.
Behind.
Instant behind because they didn't get away. Oh dear. Okay, I think there's some really quick guys in this race. Sort of some really high I rating guys, like a 4,000. So I think they're going to come through on me when I go as quick as I can.
Idiot.
But I think I need to be careful early on, obviously. Cold tyres and everything, but I don't reckon I'm going to win. Let's put it that way. Podium, I think, but I don't think I'm going to win. I think there's going to be people who are quicker. But anyway, and obviously it's slipstream, so I'm not going to get away anyway. I had a little bit of pace. But like I say, there's a few people who didn't qualify who I think are going to be very quick. Like this guy behind is a 3.9 I rating. So I think he's going to be quicker than me. Yep.
Right side. Clear.
See by the way he went for that move, can't you? So let's see what I can learn. And the guy behind's 4.7. So I think third is where I'm going to be. And I'm able to change up because they're... Yeah, I'm going to let this guy go.
Right side.
And then I'll just follow these
Clear
two.
on the right.
I mean, he's nearly off, but
Clear.
he's all over the place, this guy, isn't he? Blimey.
Clear on the right.
What's he doing?
Right
I
side.
don't know what this guy's doing. Well, he's really held me up here. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, right. So that guy's gone in the pits because he jumped the start.
Hold your line.
I do not know what's going on here.
Keep to the left.
Well, I thought those two would just clear off and I'd follow. But he's wobbling all over the place. I don't know what he's doing.
7. Still.
And I don't really want to be in the middle here.
Clear on the right. The next car's the leader. 10 minutes to...
So this is turning into much more of a dogfight than I was expecting. Oh well. I just assumed this guy would, well, those two guys would just go like miles away, but okay. Maybe that was a mistake then, thinking I could let them by. He's wobbling everywhere, isn't he? We're lifting off, we're slowing down. I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to avoid getting hit here. Well, this is really odd. I really slow up this hill.
Car right. Clear.
I mean, we're easing off and everything. Feels like people just want to get by every corner as well, which is not always the best way. I mean, they're slow through there, blimey. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here.
Right side. You're in the middle. 3 wide. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. 44.8. We have a new leader. Good job. Very nice.
Oh, bloody hell.
Still there. Still there. Clear. 2 wide. Stay on the left. Stay on the left.
Oh, my God.
Clear on the right. Right side.
Yeah, this is a bit of a dogfight, this.
Stay on the left.
And I'm going to leave it in third.
Clear.
I mean, we're just not taking nice lines at all through here.
Still there.
This is not what I was hoping for. I was hoping for a nice,
Still there.
Clear
on the right.
Smooth run.
Stay on the left. Stay on the left. Stay on the left.
Oh dear.
Clear. Right side. Keep to the left.
Well, this is ridiculous. I don't think I've ever had a Formula V race like this before, where it's just been like one big long dogfight. I don't know what's going on. I'm just waiting to get hit here. people are all over the place.
Right side. Clear.
I don't get it. What I don't understand is why everyone's going so slow through here. Because that should be fourth through there. A little lift if you want to, but...
Stay on the left.
Oh, okay, well... What is going on? It needs to settle down a bit, doesn't it? They're just not... I mean, we're going slow. I was doing 42s in qualifying.
Hold your line.
This is ridiculous, isn't it?
Clear on the right.
What are we doing? 47s? 46s? Bloody hell, this is why everyone's together, because we're going so slow.
The car in P8. Just
I don't know if that's the leader doing that. If he's trying to keep the pack together, I don't know.
Car right. Clear on the right. The next car's the leader.
Thank God. Well, that's one gone.
God damn it.
Maybe that'll tidy up a little bit.
Incredible racing, guys. That's awesome.
Maybe that'll tidy it up a little bit, because he was all over the place, that guy. I feel like I can go so much faster.
Unlucky, buddy. Yeah, I apologize for that. I didn't expect him to check up so hard. And then I hit his rear end and bumped into you. That's okay. It's just racing. It was fun.
Oh, God. I just feel like they're going so slow around here.
Car on your left. Stay on the right. Keep to the right.
Oh, let's just keep out their way for a bit.
Clear on the left.
There's nowhere for him to go.
45.539. Okay, you are the leader. Left side. The car in P6. Just at the fastest lap. 41.
Okay, well, I'm sort of stuck now on the outside.
Still there. Clear. Left side.
No, we're not getting anywhere here, are we?
Your line. Clear on the left. Left side. Clear.
It's like they're, I don't know, it's like they're waiting.
Left side.
Is the slipstream effect that big here? I don't know. I feel like I go so much quicker. We are going around like 2 seconds a lap slower than I think we should be, at least. Which is why we're all together, the whole pack's together, look. Because we're going so slow. Oh, okay, well, I said the whole pack's together. That's given us a bit of space behind.
One.
Because they've gone off. Now, this is where I can't understand why they're going so slow. So it should be fourth gear, and you just flat out, which is what I've done. I'm hoping this is going to give me a massive run.
You're on the right. 3 wide.
Let's see if I can get away.
Left side. 2 wide. Clear.
Stephen, if that was my fault, I'm so sorry.
45.477. Car on your left.
That was the most
on
fun
the
I
right.
had in a while.
Clear.
Well, people seem to be enjoying it, don't they? Which is good.
You're on the right. 3 wide. Car on your left. 2 wide.
Problem is, I'm right on the inside. I can't get a decent exit. So I can't do this bit any good.
Left side. Clear on the left.
I mean, Christ.
Right side.
There's defending and there's swooping around, isn't there? Bloody hell.
Clear on the right.
What is going on? Jesus Christ. I said I thought I might finish third. I'm definitely not going to win it the way this is going. I might even not get third now with these three. It's like, they're like axe murderers. you get a lot of fun with slow cars. Tight racing, slow cars, you do get a lot of fun, I have to say. I mean, I'm not sure if I'm enjoying this or not. Obviously, I'm smiling, but it does feel like we're only ever one corner away from a massive accident. I'm going to ease back again so I can just take my line and my speed through here. Went a bit wide there, but okay. Well, I've got the slipstream this time. White flag. My God. Oh my God. What's going to happen then? What is going to happen?
44.567. Just set your fastest lap of the session. The leader is running 42.608. Left side.
Well,
Car's the leader.
I mean, he just swooped across. He's got what? Has he got a penalty?
Car on your left. Clear on the left.
Can't tell.
Left
It's going
side.
very slow, whatever it's going on.
Right side. Clear.
So I don't know what he's doing.
About 5 laps of fuel left. Right side. Clear on the
There's a
right.
lot of like
Right side.
swooping around, isn't there, to block, which I think is not quite right. And we've got car number 1. Who seems very quick.
Car right. Keep to the left. Clear on the right. Car right. Clear.
Okay. Well, yeah, why are we going so slow through here?
Clear on the left.
I don't get it.
Clear on the left.
Well, he's going to take my slipstream, but I'm going to take this guy's slipstream, so I don't think he's going to get by. My God. Wow. Where were we?
Your line.
Second.
Checker flag.
That was a...
Nice run. Solid work.
Well, I don't know how to describe that race. But that was not what I was expecting. My goodness. Okay, here's the start then. So I got away fine, no problem. And then let's see what was happening behind. So this is the first lap. Obviously, we're up the hill, so that guy's just gone off at the back. Unfortunate. Then... Oh, I don't know what they were doing. That's not good. And then what have we got? So these are the leaders then. I can't see me, so he's hit him. Okay. Then he's gone off. And then we're still together. There's me there with the yellow and blue. Oh, gosh, yeah. Well, that was... The guy that started it got away scot-free. Look at that. And then what have we got here then? Okay, so that's them. Oh, not an unsafe rejoin. Oh. Oh, unlucky, mate. And then what's happening here? Yeah, he just swooped across, didn't he? That's just silly, really. Trying to protect his line, and it was too much of a move. So we came through. And then, like, is this a crash? Oh, gosh. Can't even end the race without crashing. Blimey. Let's look at those results. Well, top split out of 2, so not many people racing. I got a bit of Sator rating, got some high rating. I mean, the lap time. Okay, so finally somebody did a decent lap, but we were in the 44s, 45s, and I did 42s in the qualifying. That's why everyone was together. It was just, it felt, I don't know, people were just so slow in particular bits. Yeah, well, what a race. Very interesting. See, someone else went quick as well, probably when they were on their own at the back. Yeah, well, yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm not sure if I enjoyed it or not, but anyway, if you did, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.